that. Okay.
All right, and we are live here for Tribal Council. So in Kanto tribe, my tribe, I'm losing my first member right now. A little sad for me, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna order my screen. So let's see, let me hide now. Do predictions real quick. Bradley, you guys won the first challenge. How does it feel coming back to tribal after you guys got second in the last one? Obviously, it got to pay off a little bit. Got the weekend to talk. So how does it feel being able to come to tribal like right now?
I feel like we have really good connections within our tribe. I'm very happy that we did win the first time because I know how tribal is. But tonight, coming here, it's really tough. But at the same time, we have to do what we have to do to move forward.
Bobby, what is the vote going to be like tonight? Are we seeing a unanimous vote? We saw last night it was unanimous, Princess of the Frog. Do you think we'll see something similar tonight? Do you think things should mix up?
With the inactiveness of one player, I think it is going to be very unanimous. That's just unfortunate because I don't like voting out just because someone's not here, but also we need to get to know somebody to actually know if we're going to be able to work with them and stuff. So it is unfortunate, but I think it's pretty unanimous tonight, but we'll see.
John, do you agree with that? Do you think it's just kind of this can be a very easy vote for y'all? Obviously, we know it was pretty the main chat, what was going on, everything.
Oh yeah, I mean, I think you literally could probably told the entire cast what was going to happen tonight because of that. So yeah, that's exactly what it's going to be.
Yeah, Taylor, if you want to answer. Meanwhile, we saw that no idols came out yesterday. We do have pennies. Is there? And if Taylor can answer, anyone can chime in. Any talk about pennies? Who's getting them? Where the idols may have been at all or anything? We saw last night. Kind of everyone was just like, eh.
I searched up and down every Lin-Manuel Miranda's video on YouTube and didn't find a damn thing. So.
All right, anybody else have anything to chime in before I ask for pre-vote advantages? Anyone have a pre-vote advantage you'd like to play? Now's the time to do so. All right. Is anyone changing their vote or should I just get into it?
Let's get into it.
All right. Give me 2 seconds to minimize all my windows and all right, so I obviously do have the votes. If anybody has a hidden immunity idol or a post-vote advantage, like play it, now's the time to do so. All right, you guys know the drill. Person vote out, 30 seconds to their goodbyes. All right, first vote is for Corey and it is a self-vote. Second vote is for Corey. And third vote, and the second person vote out of Survivor, Sounds of Disney, Battle of the Bitches, is Corey. Corey, we played Pixar Pier together and I absolutely loved you. I stick by you. You're one of the best allies I ever had. We know you're not around. I just want to say, from everyone here at Radical Reality Productions, we really hope whatever you're going through, if there's anything, you are okay. And if you need to reach out, we are here. We're sorry it didn't work out this season. We'd love to have you back. We know how great player you are. And with that, have a good night, everyone. Oh, and just to say, we will be random. The one penny that she did get, we will be randomizing from the challenge for bequeathing.